In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram song is currently unavailable. The very first thing we're going to do is to go to your settings, and then scroll down and tap on System and Update. Now you just have to go to your language and input, and then tap on Language and Region. There is a big potential that the phone that you have or the region that you are in makes the song or music unavailable to your Instagram. So the best thing you're going to do is to click on region, and now you can change it into other regions such as United Kingdom, Afghanistan, or any other region. So let's say I go for China right here. So now there is a possibility that the song that was available on your region might be available on another region. Now that you're on a different region, the song might become available and now you can play it. If that still doesn't work, you can just change region and then restart your phone and restart Instagram to be exact. Now, if that still doesn't work, potentially the Instagram itself has a bug. So in order for you to fix that, all you have to do is to go back, go to apps, click on apps again, and then scroll down and search for Instagram. Now that you're on Instagram, all you have to do is to tap on storage and then click on clear cache. What this does is that it restarts Instagram's course of program. So the algorithm will be restored and refreshed. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps you reach more people. See you soon!